In 1993, I thought of starting up my own business, Giles Lawn Maintenance and Landscaping.
There's 5 of us that work together, my husband, myself, our brother-in-law, our daughter, and our son. We maintain 35 properties. We have residential and commercial properties. There's nothing typical about a typical day. Maybe one day we may start out doing 15 properties, and the next day we maybe are doing a landscape job. It's mainly just following through, doing what you say you're gonna do.
If we say we're gonna do something, we do it. I take a lot of pride in mowing, so when we leave a job, I know that it's perfect. Ever since I started business, is Kawasaki.
It's a great engine that we have to mow tall grass, for instance, and we need our machines to be able to get through that and the engine to stay at high RPMs. We depend on these machines for our livelihood. We definitely need equipment that is long-lasting and durable.
Kawasaki has been around for years and they just don't break down.
Our daughter and our younger son definitely want to take on the business. They want to carry it on. We stick with Kawasaki, and I think our son and daughter definitely will stick with Kawasaki. Kawasaki's the trusted one.